welcome to your new WordPress site. I'm going to go over kind of the features of what's different from WordPress, and then I'll tell you the different parts that we can change and go from there. When you first load up, you see this is a picture of just a sign that says temporary, but this can be any picture that you want. Now it's going all the way across the top here, but if you only want it to go halfway or just a logo in the center, that can be done too. Up next is the title of your site and a little tagline, so like a slogan. But with this theme, there's an extra box here where you can also place that in. So if you want it to have a colored background instead of the top white background, we can make it be here or both places. And you have the same links going to the pages that are already in existence. Didn't make them go to any of the new pages working in here, just to keep it looking similar to what the current site does. Now this particular theme lets you change the background over here on the sides, but not the background of the actual text. So the color that we've been using on the current site, not going to look so good on this one. Other themes will let you change the background color so that these can stay the same, or we can change this color to be something that's easy to read on the white. And I've just copied your home page, so all the YouTube videos and everything should be the same as what it is there. But down at the bottom, they've made it so that you can add in a phone, email, a address, and there's also, I think if they click on this, or there's another one over here where we can send them to an actual map of Google Maps so they can see how to get there. This copyright info is specific to this theme, so other themes may have this area or they may not. This theme doesn't let me change what these words are, so if you're okay with these staying here, then that's fine. But if you want it to say something different or not say anything at all, we'd have to find a way to get that done. Now this particular theme also allows social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Right now they're not going to anywhere in particular, but if I clicked on this, it would take me to your Facebook page if you had one, or take me to your YouTube channel. And there's also these logos in the top right as well. If you only want them at the top or the bottom, that's something we can do. And I've gone to another page now called Perspective. It's just got a YouTube video, but you notice these areas that are in blue are going to be on every page, and so is the picture. So whatever you want to be here, here, and down at the blue, and in the black, that's something that will show up on every page no matter where they go to. In your current site, you've got just a list of links kind of in the top. That's the same as these ones here. If you'd like to change it so that there's a list of links over on the side, that can be done instead of keeping them where they're currently. As an example of that, I've just changed the home page to show what that would look like if we had links over on the side. Now these recent posts, these are all different posts that you've made about different aspects of it. If you want to have a link over here instead of these recent posts, basically we can put pretty much any content you want here. If you want to link to all of the things that you've written, or link to specific pages or just specific posts, we can do that. This is to see only posts that fall in this particular category, which would be just these ones here. But next thing is to get you to the dashboard and learn how to make some of the changes. So when you're first here, you got this menu on the left. To edit the theme, which I think is going to be the first thing, go to Appearance and Themes. And these are a list of themes that you've already got installed. So you may have liked the look of them, but if you want to give it a try to see how things look with a different theme, all you need to do is put your mouse on one of them, and you can either choose Live Preview to see how things will look using this theme. So with this theme, it's now got a different background. All the menus are showing a lot of different things. We can change that by clicking on Navigation, selecting Main. If it doesn't have a menu selected, it's just going to put a list of all of the pages. If we use navigation to select a particular menu, then it will show just the pages that I've assigned to be on that menu. So if we choose this theme, we get some links over on the side that we can take away or not, but it doesn't have the contact info down at the bottom the way that the first one did. But it does look slightly different. Just if you should go through those, and you can try changing any options to see if you like the way it's going to look. If you do, save and activate will make this be the way that your page is looking. If you don't like the look of it, then you can just hit the X, say OK, don't save my changes, and you're back here. Then you can always try a different one, live preview again, see how your actual site content will look if we use this. Now remember to change navigation. And then with this particular one, it's got a lot of contact info over on the side, and then some links down at the bottom. Okay, that one might work for you. Depends on what you like. If you don't like any of these, you can click Add New up at the top of the themes page. Featured will give you some. Popular will give you a bunch more. And so will Latest. Now for these ones, if you do these are all themes that are not installed, so the first step would be to install one that you like. If you try to do the preview on these, it's not going to import your content, it's just going to give a default what the themes creator made as like sample content. So if you like this theme, but not sure how it's going to look with your content in it, you can click Install, and it will take a little bit. Then click on Live Preview. And then from here you've got the different things that you can customize. I always say start with navigation because you've got so many links here that it really throws off the look of the page if you don't change it. So this one has a picture or slider that you can change, just some simple icons, contact, and links to other pages. So this one may not work for you because it just doesn't have enough content. But wherever you see things like these icons or these words, we can always change this, or any pictures that you see we can change to be any other pictures. Let's see if the background color changes. So only this very small strip down here at the bottom will be what the background is. Otherwise it takes up the full page. So if you're looking for a more colorful example or colorful theme, this is probably not the one for you. So we hit the X, and then we can either go back to the theme installer to get more, or if you click on themes to see the other ones that are installed. I'd say go through the themes, install some, go to live preview, see how you like the look of your content in those sections, and then move on to the next video, which I will make shortly.